Today we learn how to make 2D drawing from this 3D model. Okay, let's start. Now this is our 3D model and this piston head. Okay, at first now go to this new and click this make drawing from part and assembly. Just click this and choose this drawing sheet. I will choose A3, A2. Just click and choose this and just click OK. Okay. There are many parts on this. Just I will keep and drag this. Now I will keep this drag and keep in this and just click OK. Again go to this view platter and just choose any. Just I will choose this top and just I will keep here. Okay, and just click OK. Now just click on this and just go to in this and go to this important annotation. Just click important annotation, design annotation and click encoding item from hidden and just click 3D view annotation and just go to this and just click in this hidden line visual and just drag it. You can just scale scale sheet, just use customs. You can choose, there are many size, just keep this 1:2, 1/2, 1:1 and 2:1. It will be bigger, so I will choose 1:1. Okay, click this custom thread display high quality and just click OK. Now see, our dimension is visual. Just I will just copy this and just click this add perimeter and just click auto arrangement dimension. Now see, it is automatically arranged and click OK. Now just will, which you don't need, just will hide this. Now just hide this, it is double, so I will hide this and actually no need this, so I will hide this. Okay, no need anything, just it is automatically. Just drag it for better understand. So just see and just see it. This dimension is yes. If you need any dimension, just will go to this annotation and click smart dimension and just we need this point, this distance to this distance. Just click on this line and again click on this line, just see, click OK. Yes. Now again if you need any dimension, just we'll check this 2.5 the distance to 7.62. I think no need more. So now I'll keep this dimension. Just click on this and just right click and select OK, and just click on this view and again set this, click this visual, hidden line visual and import annotation. Just click import annotation, design annotation including and 3D view annotation, and just click high quality and just choose high quality and just click OK. Yeah, now see our dimension is defined. So actually we don't need this dimension, so I will just hide this. Just click on this line and just click hide. Yes, now see this dimension and this dimension and this dimension. Yes, I think and this dimension. If you need any dimension, just you will go to this annotation, click a smart dimension. If you need this point to this distance to this distance, just I will just click this and click OK. Yes. If you need any dimension, again we need this circle dimension. Just click on this line and drag it. Now see, and again you need this, we need this circle dimension. Just click on this and just keep this and just drag it. Yes. Okay, now our all dimension is defined. So if you need any dimension, just we will find out according to this system. Okay, now we need this. Again I will go to this view view flatter. Just click on this and I will keep this isometric, dimetric, trimetric, current view. I will keep this current view. Just click in and drag it. Now see, if you want to see, just click on this and just go to this and just click display style. Just click this display style and just click OK. Now see, it is created as a 2D drawing. So if you want to write any thing on this drawing, just you will go to this note, click on note and just click on this. Suppose I will write this note and I will change this size. Just I will choose this 36 and just click OK. Again on this double click and just click enter and just this, and I will write this note. Yes, just click OK. If you want to write anything on this drawing, just you can write. If you want to shift this note, you can shift. Just you will click on this and push the right button and just move it. If you want to keep any side, just you can move it. Just I will keep in this side. Now just click and go to this note, click OK. Now see, it is created as a 2D drawing. If you want to write anything, just I will change this. So now I will go to the settings and click this shape, drawing number. Just I will change this name piston head. Just I will change this and I will save it. Just click save and just click save all. Now see, it is changed. If you want to write anything, title, just we will again go to this note and just click on this title. You can write yes. Just you will change this size 36 and just click OK. Now just give it. If you want to change this, just double click on this, and just change this size. Just click on this, just will click this 28. Yes, just click OK. Now see, again if you want to note this, just you can write your company name. Just click and I will write just I write this company name. Yes. Just I will change this size 26. Just click on this and bold on this this sentence and just click and just click this size. Oh, so it will be more bigger. Just I will keep this 24 is enough. No need, just more 22, or just I will choose this 18. It's okay. Now just click OK. Yes. Now see, if you want to move this, you can move it. Just click this. Okay. Yeah, our drawing is fully ready as a 2D drawing. Just if you want to convert it PDF file, just we will go to this save option. Just click save as and just save as type. Just click on this save as type and choose this site. Just .pdf. Just click on this .pdf and just click this save, and just you can choose this your file location and just click this save and just click yes. Now see, it is saved automatically. Okay, and just see, you can see as a PDF file. Okay, Okay, thank you for watching.